Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, welcome back. It is that time again, and we have to look at the crypto market. And the title may be a little clickbaity for this video, so don't forget to smoke that like button. Definitely helps the channel and helps me grow in that YouTube algorithm. So definitely smoke that like button, boys. And on your way in, I do want to remind everybody that we stream every day, 8:15 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. So make sure you catch up and come join the goons. We are a great gang. We love to have fun, and this is what we do. I really want to talk about Bitcoin today because that dip happened yesterday, and almost every single person is talking about the dip. Oh no, it went to 30,000, then it dipped. But really, I saw it as a positive note. And that's what the stream is focused on. Give me 1 second. Let me pull up this chart so I don't sound too crazy. And right now, when I talked to you yesterday, we talked about this bullish spinning top, and I felt very positive that we were going to break this resistance line, right? So we did do that today, and we retraced, and we're still around the 29,000 mark. And I still come back to the first thing I say. BTC moving 2,000 up or down is completely normal in a day. Where it's at right now, 31,000 is definitely within reach. 27,000 is within reach. I'm not going to sit here and tell you, hey, my crypto pie, William, what's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. Shout out, if you're here watching, come say hi. It's okay. We love to know that the goons are strong and we're being represented, right? So really what it came down to was we knew with the candle analysis that this looks like a very positive sentiment, and I continue with that positive sentiment because I really see that cup forming, and I'm now interested in is the next few days to see if we get that handle formation. And if we get that handle formation, meaning we're going sideways, I know this may sound crazy to a few of you, but I will show you a cup and handle pattern. And no matter how you look at it, oh, Teddy, zoom out, blah, blah, blah. This is still a cup that is forming. And that's really what I'm looking at, right? So this cup, these next few days, if this handle forms and we get a breakout, like 32,000 is within reach. So we do have those points plotted just to see how the market is going to react from the last time and this time, right? So we do have that 32,436. That's really my next target level. If I was going to say, hey, we're out of the crypto winter, this is the level that I would want to see Bitcoin get to, because once it reaches 32,914, I feel very good. Sup, Teddy G, Coochie boy in the building. Except for the Mount Cox BTC settlement from 2014 will be big sell-ups. Absolutely. There are Mount Cox BTC settlements, and my assumption is just because with the halving event and the way I know that Bitcoin holders are, even during the Mount Gox situation. I did not personally trade on Mount Gox, but I have read enough about it from investors that have used it that were very happy with how Mount Gox conducted itself. But it's unfortunate that they had to close down and the situation arose. But I felt those Bitcoin investors were going to continue to hold if they had that opportunity. If they need the money really bad, yes, I understand. Hey, I need to sell, taxation. I don't care. I have so much BTC there. That's something that's debatable. I do feel people will use the opportunity to buy the dip, but you're 100%. The freaking Oracle, the Mt. Gox situation can put a wrench in all of this. Bryce Young goes number one. What the heck? Why does Bryce Young go number one? Quarterback? What? Is he number one pick odds? Is that what's happening? Panthers, Alabama quarterback. This one with number one overall pick in 2023 NFL draft. Yep. Number one overall pick in 23. Panthers select Alabama QB Bryce Young. Wow. Congratulations. Hopefully that's it, you know. He does the thing. Oh, that just happened 3 minutes ago. Oh wow, you're literally keeping up, buddy. I'm glad. I'm glad. Thank you for keeping us up to date. These things matter, right? Yes, yes, yes. I see it. They got so much at under 240 USD per BTC. It will be interesting to see what happens. This is something we have to keep telling ourselves, dude. These Mount Gox guys could potentially have a lot of Bitcoin that they got super cheap. Like we're talking, this is like 3,000% since their initial investment. Yeah, especially at those times. What Oracle is saying is not wrong. They very well could. But I also believe that if these guys were trading, imagine us, if Coinbase all of a sudden shut down and you had assets on Coinbase, when those assets were given back to you, are you going to sell off all those assets immediately? Are you going to hold on to some of them? Like, what would you do? If I was a Voyager investor and all my assets were taken, but I had the ability to get them back, would you sell everything immediately and get out and be like, that's it, never going to take this risk ever again? Check Degen play Mong, see if it has legs. Mong? I'll check it. Um, oh yeah, this was a fun article that I was reading right before I came on about Dogecoin. Dude, these Watcher Guru articles are straight clickbait. There's nothing here. Basically, they tell you time will tell, Dogecoin, blah blah blah. They also claim that it's free from being a security. I don't really understand this because Dogecoin and Litecoin share the same, like, mining and all that. And we know, I guess, mining, Gary Gensler really hasn't said anything, but we know he's gonna come after everything. His eye is crypto, and he's making all these rules. So the Musk effect is something they talk about with Doge. Yeah, definitely. But is Doge going to become a top three? Probably not. But it definitely will have legs to be, I think, a contender in the top 10. So what does this mean? I know I sound crazy. Um, by the way, global market cap still 1.21. I'm quite happy with that. That's exactly what I want to see. As if it keeps going up, it's positive sentiment. I've literally seen that at like 4 trillion before, right? So what he's talking about is Dogecoin here right now, ranked number 8, with the market cap of around 11 billion, right? This is Dogecoin is right now trading above Matic, guys. I don't know if you realize this. So in order to get to top 3, Dogecoin would need to have 81 billion. So that's almost an 8x from where it's currently at. It would have to beat Cardano, XRP, USD, BNB, USDT. That's an uphill battle in my eyes. In my eyes, I could be wrong, but that's how I see it. But oh wow, USDC depeg again. What's happening, USDC? Get back, repeg. Well, let me just check. I always worry ever since the crazy, the crazy day of the depeg. Now this is nothing. This is still 0.99. Yeah. Dude, I should have bought even for that like 10% gotten USDC on that down low, like 91 cents or whatever it fell down to that day. That was the best. Let me see here. Yeah, it dipped down to like 97 cents. Yeah. That's not bad. What up, Blazy Jedi? Dude, I need to check out this manga play for this guy. Next tools. MONG. Let's see. MONG. Is this it? 221K 1 day ago. Not bad, not bad. I like the LP. Strong LP, strong volume, a lot of holders. What do these guys do? 8 zeros, 4-1. Let's see. Massive sell. Yeah, this is a massive sell. 2.3. Dang. 1.5. Woof. This guy's made one ETH. Sells 12 ETH. He's made like 1.1 ETH. Okay. Interesting. A lot of positive sentiment. This freaking bot is killing it. This Mev bot. 5 ETH on this. Wow. Wow. Drained. Drained. Oh, dude, drained again. Ah, let's go. It's gonna drain. So it's the same one. I mean, at this point, I would just blacklist this wallet, right? Unless it's the contract doing this. Is the contract Jared from Subway? No, it's a Mevbot. See, I was right. Uh Mevbots. They got the most money. Dude, look at this. This thing's made 228K. It has 120 ETH. Ah, it just sits there. Mevbots just sit there on nodes and they just listen, and if they find the opportunity, they go around draining LP with quick buys and sells, and almost in the same block. See, you see, in the same block this happened. That's how quick they are. This is wild. Damn, Mevbots. One of them has already made 2.2 million. Yeah, dude, and you know, with BTC, you don't got Mevbots, right? Mongcoin. Yeah, dude, these guys are 100%. And at the same time they're doing Mong, you see they're doing all your base, Pepe Musk, like all these coins are affected. They find this opportunity in the same block. This is wild. This is wild. You do not see this. Oh my god. No, this is a interesting one. Oh yeah, so I was investigated that 1.37 by, more cells, another buy. Man, this chart is looking a little bearish, but it is technically going sideways. It's made a leg up, it consolidated, made a leg up, consolidated. I hope another green candle comes in order to push it, but I don't know what the oh wait, website. They got the stuff updated. Mongs are a culture, a vibe, bind Uniswap. Mongs were born. The Mong mob. What the hell is this? Mr. Sherman? Are we going to listen to this? We're going to listen to this. I'm sorry. No, I don't choose what happens. This is just, we got to suffer. All right. Let me know if you can hear it. I hear nothing.
Now, the number one threat to cryptocurrency is crypto. Bitcoin could be displaced by Ether, which could be displaced by Dodge, which could be displaced by Hamster Coin. And then there's Cobra Coin. And what could Mongoose Coin do to crypto coin? In the area of fiat currency, the dollar will always be more important than the Uruguayan peso, and the Uruguayan peso is not a joke. There'll always be an Uruguay, and the Uruguayan peso will always have some value. Will Mongoose Coin always have a value? I don't know. I just made it up. It's a joke.
What the hell? Dude, what are you? I don't know, man. I guess you're buying it for the meme. I literally. All right. Yeah. It's a joke, I guess. So I completely agree with the freaking Oracle. Freaking Oracle, where have you been all these streams, bro? You need to come join us. Come join the Goon Gang, 8:15, Monday through Friday. And by the way, did you smoke that like button? Make sure there's 10 of us here. Smoke that like button, guys. We're checking out Moncoin here. That was Mr. Sherman telling us about this joke coin that he made called Mong. He doesn't know if it has a value. Sounds hilarious. 82% LP. What the hell? 82%. No taxes, no honeypots, no rugs, just vibes. Every good meme coin, so it's a meme coin. Dude, I'm not sure about this one, man. But I'm sure, Pepe got legs. So if they got the people behind it, 100%. So what happens if I do buy Mong? Takes me to Uniswap. Ugh. Buy NFT takes me where? OpenSea. It's not even a minting page. Embarrassing. Nothing. It's a waste. Yeah, I saw that yesterday. I was like, these bots are insane. Dude, these bots are insane, dude. I was involved in a token and the Mevs killed it within an hour. Dude, I've seen Mevs kill tokens within like 5 minutes, an hour. Dude, you were lucky that that contract kept you alive that long. Ugh, got to be very careful. Dogecoin founder answers how to turn 1,000 into 100,000. Yo, are we gonna? Is anyone actually listening to the Dogecoin founder after he left Dogecoin and sold everything? Basically, yet to be perceived, mismade 1.14 million 4 days, with just $251 investment in Pepe. Um, in fact, even Mev robot captured around 1.5 million in profits by trading Pepe trading pairs. Dude, look at this. We're just talking about Mev bots. This literally happens. Wait, what is like in my head? I know what Mev bot is, but what is the actual Mev bot? No, I don't want to create a trading Mev bot. I just want to know what the actual definition in crypto Mev bot meaning. Yeah. Maximal extractable value is essentially the maximum value that can be extracted from a block. Create Ethereum arbitrage, dude. I all these things are like create a mevbot, create a mevbot, dude. Don't create a mevbot. They're just gonna take all your ETH. Yeah, here's a guide to make a mevbot, and then boom, you do everything it says, and all your ETH's gone as soon as you put it on there. Uh, I mean, unless you trust the source code, I guess, and you know what you're doing. Beginner's Guide to Ethereum's Invisible Task. Let's see. Cointelegraph, I think, did a good one. What is a miner extractable value, MEV? And how does it work? Mining is foundation blockchain proof of work. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which pays the miner for discovering new blocks. As a result, crypto mining has become a source of living for miners. Total prosperity determine how difficult. All right, the value miners can obtain from changing the sequence of transactions inside the blocks they generate is known as the miner extractable value, MEV. Therefore, order fairness presents a problem for permissionless POW, proof of work cryptocurrencies, when the stakes are large enough. MEV can even reward blockchain forks, which may impact future transactions and the security of the consensus layer. Okay, so interesting. I actually didn't know mevbots could even work on blockchain forks, but if a blockchain fork is off of Ethereum, in theory, yeah, a mevbot can do blockchain forks as well. That's wild. To understand how MEV works and why MEV occurs, let's take an example of an arbitrage transaction. So we all know these the way MEV bots work is through arbitrage. Arbitrage is where we're seeing the buys and sells across different dexes, right? Different LP pools, whatever it may be. Um, Arbitrage across dexes is built into their design, whereas traditional markets arbitrage opportunities are considered a sign of inefficient markets. So what this means, guys, is literally there's let's say we have Shiba Inu, right? You can buy Shiba Inu on Uniswap, you can buy Shiba Inu on Shiba Swap, you can buy Shiba Inu on Pancake Swap, and they all have their own LP pool. So what these bots do in these arbitrage moments is they buy it real cheap. Hey, it's only 8 zeros 1 in Uniswap, and I can go sell it for 7 zeros 9 in um, Pancake Swap, and they take that arbitrage opportunity. And the bot's smart enough to do this in the same block, so it captures the reward before anyone else does. Right? That's how I think about it in my head. But these guys explain it in a acceptable fashion, I think. So automated market makers, a class of decentralized exchanges that users purchase and sell tokens without involvement of a third party. Right? So this is exactly what's happening. So the market makers, a piece of computer code running on blockchain, is unaware of the token's current market price and is dependent on arbitrage to return the token's price to the market price. Therefore, arbitragers make sure the decentralized exchanges have fair prices. Yeah, makes sense. Dude, this is crazy. Mempools. I remember mempools. That was the wildest thing. Mempools, everything works off of mempools. Miners confirm the transactions. The orders of the transactions is confirmed by the miner. So if the same miner is able to buy and sell in the same block, this miner is just making money every single time, right? So yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of these, but mostly Ethereum. So front running versus back running versus sandwich trades. Oh, sandwich attacks. Sandwich attacks is what's happening for those guys. Wait, do they actually explain sandwich attacks in here? Front run other participants. However, miners are best placed to front run other parts of the network, as help me decide which transactions um are completed in the block in what sequence. Additionally, they can quickly duplicate all winning deals from the mempool and execute their transactions ahead of arbitrageurs or anyone attempting to outperform them. Yeah, because they're literally the people validating the block, so they can choose the order of the transactions and make the most profit before anyone else. So you think you're all clever and getting the most money, but they're like, boom, front run, see ya. It's common to refer to the value a miner could extract this fashion as a miner extractable value, MEV, invisible tax that the miner can collect from users. Other operators only regarded as MEV, when a transaction is switched by miner with their own benefit from the opportunity. Like front running miners can opt for back running, which means when a miner enters a sell order to sell into the purchasing pressure after noticing a significant buy. Alternatively, in a sandwich deal, miners place a sell order right after the transaction that affects the market price and a buy order right before it. The risk is controlled by having contemporaneous I cannot say this word. Contempor that word. Buy and sell orders. Okay, interesting. Yeah, because in the end, the sandwich attack is happening after a buy and a sell. Does MEV apply to Bitcoin mining? I would think it does, right? Theoretically, MEV applies to Bitcoin as it is a crucial feature of proof of work. Yeah. However, in reality, MEV has occasionally been seen on Bitcoin blockchain as almost all transactions BTC transfers are between two parties. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's true. They're just like transfers, right? No one's actually got LP pools of BTC. I guess there's mostly centralized exchanges. As general, miners have more opportunities to generate MEV by taking advantage of the inefficiencies brought on by increased transaction complexity. That said, this smart contract-based complex transaction MEV opportunities were available on Ethereum blockchain before it switched to proof of stake. Wait, so it's still available? I mean, it's still relatively the same thing, even if it's proof of stake. Validators responsible for transaction ordering. Yeah, so validators are the new MEV. The success of MEV extraction can only be validated by validators in theory. However, its practice, searchers extract MEV's large portion. What is the MEV searchers? Dude, what is happening? What is happening with these MEV bots? I need to do a whole video on MEV alone because like I I guess I only know 2 or 3 types of MEV attacks. These guys really get into it. NFT MEV, like liquidations. Liquidations I know because that's like the most commonly used one. LP pools. Uncle Bandit attacks. Haven't even heard of that. Or maybe I haven't. I just didn't know that's what it's called. Time bandit attacks. This is wild. Look at all this. Um the project was attacked by a bot that traded 172 times. Dude, the one Mong we were looking at, this one traded 326 times. Look at this. This thing has made 5.6 ETH in just a couple of days. April 26th in a single day. Check your twit. All right. I'll check it. Can't trust any code unless it's written by you. Yeah, dude, exactly. The MEV can bribe the node to push theirs through first. Yeah, this is exactly what I believe. Bots can also detect pulling LP, and their cell will go through before it's pulled. It's insane. Yeah, actually, what does this? Maestro Sniper Bot does this. It can detect when the token is about to use the remove LP function, and it'll sell before the remove LP is executed, so it front runs the transaction. But that's because they're using like speedy nodes and Morales, dude. This is the wildest thing. Like the whole MEV thing is a whole different can of worms when it comes to Ethereum. And this is exactly what this stream is about, you know? Urgent. Don't do anything with Bitcoin till you watch this. Don't do anything with Ethereum till you watch this, guys. Don't do anything in DeFi till you watch this, you know? Here's freaking Coochie Boy trying to look into this, and this token is getting MEV-botted. All right, let me check his message real quick. Bye. We're back. Wait, it's this guy? I know this guy. I have all his stickers. One second. We'll play him. Just told. What's up, guys? It's Hard Rock something. 1 second. Share. Waka. All right, 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? It's Hard Rock Nick, one of the richest men in the world. I talked to 15 billionaires last week. Every one of them asked about Mong. That's right, Mong. Write it down. Not a single one asked about BTC. If that ain't a sign, I don't know what is, because everyone wants Mong. I'm the richest, hottest man on the entire planet and the metaverse, and I underinvested by a lot in Mong. The Mong NFTs are very cutie. Go get some Mong. Tell them Hard Rock Nick sent you. Mong. What's up, guys? It's Hard Rock Nick, one of the richest men.
This is freaking Cameo, bro. I don't buy this one bit. They probably paid this guy like $75, and he's like, yeah, I'm in this. I'm in Mong, but he's actually got no Mong, buddy. There's no Mong in him. This is hilarious, though. Thanks for sharing that. Oh my god, this freaking guy. You need some Mong. Mong. Mong is back. Even with Cameo, it only got 241 views, 891 views. Ugh, depressing. I love the eyebrows painted on. What are they? Skip for now. What the hell is this? Y'all are saying who sent me this dinosaur playpen? What the hell is happening, Calbell? What happened to you? Wait, what? Gary Gensler? Wait. We gotta look at Gary Gensler. Red Sox, are you still here? I am dead now. Dude, get out of here. Did you not know it was a cameo, bro? Gary Gensler. Gary frickin' Gensler. All right, sir. Spit me your wisdoms. All right, we're good. 3, 2, 1, go, Gary.
What do the securities laws have to do with goldfish? Many places around the country, we're required to use a leash when you walk your dog. Well, let's just say you get stopped because you're walking Rover.
Is he telling me to buy a leash?
What do you think would happen if you told the police officer that Rover is actually...
Did Gary Gensler just tell me to buy a leash?
You'd still get a citation. And that's because the law cares about what something actually is, not what you call it. Well, the same thing is true in the securities markets. As Justice Thurgood Marshall put it so well, Congress's purpose in enacting the securities laws was to regulate investments in whatever form they are made and by whatever name they are called. That's why Congress's definition of securities includes more than 30 items, such as stocks, bonds, notes, and something called investment contracts.
You know what it doesn't include,
An
Gary?
investment contract exists.
Digital currencies.
You
Get the
invest
hell out of
money
here.
in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits.
This guy trying
to be
explain to me what
derived from
Congress
the
thinks
efforts of
securities are.
others.
Frickin' gets grilled by Congress.
Intermediaries for investment
stays there
contracts,
silently.
whether they're exchanges, brokers, dealers,
The
clearinghouses,
two biggest failures
they need
happened
to
under
comply
his watch.
with the securities laws and register with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Instead,
Terra
many
Luna.
crypto platforms are just pretending
FTX.
that these investment contracts that they offer are more like goldfish.
No, they're
And the
not.
lack
No,
of
they're not.
compliance by these crypto platforms means that you don't have
No.
basic investor protections.
No.
These are things like rule books and surveillance
We don't
to
have
prevent
basic
fraud
investor
manipulation,
protections.
or appropriate custody and, yes, segregation of customer assets so they don't get misused or abused or simply become the property of the platform, especially if it goes into bankruptcy.
Yeah,
And
it goes
you
into
lack
bankruptcy
basic
and other guys
protections
are
as
trying to buy them
customers
out and you keep
that
blocking.
you
their
aren't just
buyouts.
trading against the house. Further, many
The
of
only
these
people
crypto platforms
making money
combine
here
the
is Gary
activities of an
Gensler, boys.
exchange, broker-dealer,
This is just making
and
me upset.
clearinghouse under the same roof. And when a platform doesn't register these functions, that puts investors like you
There
at
is
risk.
no need to even
When a
register
platform
them. The
combines
platform
these
registered.
functions,
You should
that
know that
creates
what they're dealing
conflicts of
with. You should
interest
do
that
audits
undermine
just like every other
time-tested
governmental
investor
entity,
protections.
and that's how you do an
Crypto
auditing
markets
thing.
suffer
Oh my
from
God.
a lack of regulatory
Make a
compliance.
law.
It's
Make
not
a law.
lack of regulatory clarity. As
Do
we
something,
alleged in a
Gary.
recent action, one crypto platform executive knew the law so well that he actually
But you
advised
don't know the law.
issuers to scrub specific language from their web pages in an effort
Don't
to
come after
pretend
me,
that
Gary.
their
I'm a
tokens
small fish. You
weren't
got bigger
investment
fish to fry.
contracts. You could say, in other words, they tried to say that their dogs were goldfish. It doesn't matter if you call yourself onshore or offshore. If you make securities available to American investors, you must comply with American laws. The law
None
is
of the
clear.
current American
If
laws
you're a
have
securities
anything to
exchange,
do with digital
clearinghouse,
currencies.
broker, or dealer, you
Say
must
whatever
come
you
into
want, and you're
compliance,
bringing random
register
cryptocurrencies
with us,
to
and
courts.
deal with conflicts of interest and disclose important information.
Though I
For
agree with
90
some of the
years,
influencers
these
you
laws have
brought in.
helped protect investors like you. You might say they're an investor's best friend. What do the security?
That was depressing. Why did I do this to myself? 8 hours ago, intermediaries for investment contracts are required to comply with securities laws and register with SEC. Instead, many crypto platforms are contending that their investment contracts are something else. The law cares about what something actually is, not what you call it. What the hell? All right, cool. Good to know. All right, boys. I think that is good for today. I will see you again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Don't forget, we're gooning out. We love to hang out. And yeah, Gary Gensler is crazy. I'll see you again tomorrow. Hang in there. We're all hanging in. Don't do anything weird with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Make sure you tell your friends to come hang out with the goons. And yeah, that's about it for today. And I'll see you tomorrow. And hopefully we end on a great note. I love what the chart is doing. I think slowly the buys are going to outweigh. This is turning into a spinning top right now, but the day just started. I think the green, I can see this breakout again. Yeah, here we go. 29. So if this gets legs and it just takes off, that's it. And this resistance may be broken for a third day in a row. And if it is, I mean, that just shows more and more that mentally people see BTC now at 30K. The days of 15K just may be over. But yes, I leave you with this. Goodbye. Stay safe. Remember, don't be a hero. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Goodbye.